Hello everybody, I am Farshad Samini, an assistant professor of the university. Today I'm going to talk about the definition of demand. What is the definition of demand? Demand means the quantity of a good or a service that a person would like to buy and have enough money for providing that in a period of time regarding some factors such as the price of it, the prices of other goods and services such as substitution goods and services and complementary goods and services, taste, season of the year, climate, personal income. It's a very important factor for demanding for many goods and services, not all of them. But we want to explain about the definition of demand. When we say demand in economic, it means effective demand. It means not just desiring for buying something, not just loving for having something or our needs. When we say demand in economics, it means we have enough money for providing that. When we go to the market for buying a good or a service, we decide and we need it, it's considered as demand for that good. Just loving for having something or our needs, it never considered as demand. For example, many of us like to have luxury cars or luxurious house, or we like to travel many countries all over the world, but maybe we never decide for doing this kind of goods and services. We never buy luxury house, maybe we never buy luxury cars, or we never decide to take a travel to abroad. So when we say demand, it means effective demand. The other concept that is important for this definition is the period of time. Period of time means the quantity of a good or service that a person would like to buy in a period of time. For example, would like to buy in a year or within the day or within a week. A specific time, period of time, a specific time. Also, in this definition, we consider some factors that affect on our decision. What are these factors? Many factors that affect on our decisions, such as price of the good, prices of other goods and services. When we go to the market and we want to buy a car, we check the price of it. How much is this car? The first question may be asked. So we consider the price of the car. Also, we check our income, personal income. So personal income is a factor that affects on our decision for many goods and services. Maybe we check the prices of other goods and services, substitution goods and services or complementary goods and services. For example, when we want to buy an Iranian car, may we check the prices of Arabic car or French cars and so on. So prices of other goods and services may affect on our decisions. For some goods and services, maybe we consider the climate. The season of the year may be affect on our decisions. For example, when we want to buy aircon, maybe consider the season of the year. In the summertime, we will buy more. And in the winter time, we don't buy it. Depends on the goods and services. Many factors such as these factors that I told to you may affect on our decisions. I told you the differences between needs and demand, the period of time, a year, a week, a day, and so on, and the factors that affect on our decisions. Now I want to tell you the concept that is very important in economics. What is this? It is law of demand. There is a law in demand. What is this? Law of demand, it means when the price of a good goes up, we will buy less of it if other factors that affect on our decision be constant, be fixed, no change. For example, when we want to go to the market and buy rice, some rice, if all factors that affect on our decisions are constant, for example, personal income is constant, prices of other goods that related to this good, related to rice, are constant, and so on, all of them constant. Just price of the rice changes. For example, it increases, we will buy less of that. This is a law that we say law of demand. There is an inverse relationship between demand and the price of it. When the price goes up, we will buy less. When the price goes down, we will buy more. This is a law and we say as law of demand. In economics, we divide goods and services in many categories. For example, between the relation income and our demand, we say there are three different kinds of goods and services. For example, now we want to say about the categories of the goods based on the relationship between demand and the income, personal income. There are three kinds of goods and services: normal goods and services, inferior goods and services, and independent goods and services, independent of income. What is normal goods? Normal goods are the goods that when our income increase, we will buy more of that. We will buy more. Inferior goods means when the personal income increase, we will buy less of those goods and services. And independent of income means when our income changes, we don't change our decision for providing these kind of goods and services. For example, when the our salary go up, we will never buy more salt. Salt usually is independent of our income. But usually meat is normal goods, because when our salary goes up, our salary go up, we will buy more. Thank you for your attention. Lots of love to you.